Monday, girls. I hope you've had a restful long weekend and that you and your families continue to be safe and well. Let me start off the week by congratulating you all. You are only 2 more concepts away from completing the listening analysis stage of your Viva Voce. So let's recap and see where you're up to. And then we will also look at where you will go from this point. Okay, let's go.
Okay, Viva Voce video lesson 3. Yay! Look at how happy those cats are celebrating for you. So, there are 3 stages of a Viva Voce: listening analysis, preparation, and conversation. We are currently in the listening analysis stage. This has required you girls to choose one song from the list I gave you and listen and listen and listen. And what are you actually listening for? Well, these concepts here: pitch, rhythm and duration, dynamics and expressive techniques, and tone color. You have seen demonstrations of these and have attempted your own analyses. Every concept has its set of questions that you need to think about and answer as you listen to your piece of music. These questions are available on this PowerPoint now or on the worksheets that I have sent you these past 2 or 3 weeks. For each concept, you choose whichever 50 seconds of the piece you would like to talk about. For example, if you analyze Rhapsody in Blue, you may choose the first 50 seconds to talk about tone color. However, a different 50 seconds for melody and dynamics and expressive techniques. It is your choice. Okay, mood. Mood is how the music makes us feel. Have you ever listened to a piece and felt joyful, or perhaps somber, or maybe even sad? Do you remember these guys? You probably remember them from the tone color video lesson 1 that we did earlier on. Now, why did I talk about tone color and mood at the same time? Well, it's good to remember that tone color is important when music tries to make you feel a certain mood. However, we should also now remember that mood and tone color are very different things. It's very easy and common for students to get tone color and mood mixed up. Let's take a look at those differences now. Tone color is the way an instrument produces sound. For example, the way a violin produces its sound. It depends on how an instrument is played. For example, pizzicato on the violin has a different tone color to arco on the violin. We use words like dry, watery, reedy, metallic, warm, shrill. Mood is the way the music makes us feel. It depends not just on tone color, even though that's important, but all the concepts of music. We use words like joyful, angry, exciting, triumphant, or serious. Take a note, girls, of the difference in tone color words and mood words. So, when we look at mood, we ask one question only. What is the mood of the piece? Could it be happy, or exciting, or intense? Below, you will find 5 example groups of words that you could use to describe your piece of music. Okay, now let's take a look at critical thinking. Critical thinking is the studying of facts to form our own opinion. It is a set of skills that you girls well and truly use in lots of subjects at school already. For example, problem solving, or analyzing, or evaluating. You girls have seen these skills and used them before. So this should be easy for you. In critical thinking, all I want you to do is answer this one question. Do you like the piece you have chosen? Well, seems easy to answer, right? It's either yes or no. Well, it gets a bit more complicated from here on. Try to imagine having a conversation with your 3-year-old brother or sister. What do they ask after everything? Why? And that is what I'm going to do in this part. Every time you give me an answer, I ask, why? Why do you like the piece? Because it's nice. Well, why is it nice? And then you might say, because it relaxes me. Okay. Why does it relax you? Well, think about it. Because the instruments are relaxing. Great. Why are the instruments relaxing? Because of the way they are played, you might say. Okay, well then, why does the way the instruments are played relax you? And this is what I'm looking for, this answer here. Because the violin has long, low-pitched notes which are played using the expressive techniques arco and legato, and this creates a relaxing mood that reminds me of the time I went swimming at the beach last summer. In my opinion, these aspects of the piece help me enjoy it, and that is why I like listening to it. And that's it, girls. Critical thinking is getting from this question, do you like the piece you have chosen, to this very detailed answer that references nearly all the concepts of music that you have studied. You look at the facts in the music to form your own opinion of the song. In task 2 on your worksheet, go through this response and try to find the words that reference the different concepts. I'll give you a hint. We do not see tone color in this one. Okay, brilliant work so far, girls. We are going to look at stage 2, which is the preparation part, next week. Okay, my darlings, that's the video lesson for this week. I hope you enjoy the rest of the week and all of your classes, and take care. All right, bye.